G'day folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look at another beautiful arrival here on the lot at Leisure Time in Quispamsis. This one a 2022 Imagine 2800 BH by Grand Design. Probably my favorite of all the towable family campers, and I'm going to get into a few reasons why. I'm going to get right into the 5 things I love about this trailer. Thing number 1, just fantastic outdoor features, and they all really add up to nice, easy portability, towability, ability to move around in a camper that's really at 32 feet, big enough that you can set it up on a lot, but it's 6,400 pounds, nice and easy to tow, 604 pounds on the hitch. You got 32 feet from tongue to bumper. A couple features I love about it, you've got a nice pass-through storage here at the beginning. Look at this convenience station too, motion sensor lighting. Everything's nice and easy, but all kinds of room in there to keep everything that you need. Right at easy access. As soon as you arrive to the campground, you can set up, switch your battery power on, get yourself plugged in, get the water line set up, and be ready to go. Power tongue jack on the front makes things nice and easy to get off the truck. That's lit up, so if you get in a little bit late, you can see what you're doing. And again, here's another look at the other side of that beautiful pass-through storage. Talking about the outdoor features that I love so much, we see 2 doors, so dual entry on this one. One heads right into the bedroom, one heads right into the social space. But here's another fabulous aspect of this trailer when it comes to the outdoor features. You've got a beautiful outdoor kitchen. It's nice and wrapped right now for protection, but you've got a capital griddle, 3 burners on that one, but a nice flat top grill. You've got a fridge all set up to keep your beverages cold on the outside, and a little freezer box in there as well. So if you need to keep your ice out here, you're all set and ready to go. And there is some storage in there behind the splash guard as well. Love the outdoor kitchen. Really opens up some opportunity for you to get outside and enjoy that much more of the great outdoors with your family. Thing number 2 I love about this trailer, and one of these days I'm going to climb right up on the trailer to show you, but you've got a 165 watt solar panel already installed on this one, and you've got a quick connect system that's going to allow you to expand on that if you want to. You've also got a built-in 25 amp solar charge controller all set up and ready to go. And because of that, and we'll see it on the inside, you have a nice big 12 volt fridge, which is going to help you store your groceries while you're away, keep everything nice and fresh. So if you're away for a long period of time, you want to load up on your groceries, you've got lots of room to keep them. Thing number 3 I love about this trailer, we're going to head right inside and take a look at it, is the kitchen. You talk about how great the outdoor kitchen is. Let's take a look at the beautiful kitchen here on the inside as well. So there's that 12 volt fridge I was talking about. We'll pop that open so you can take a look inside. Again, all kinds of space in there, both on the shelves and inside on the door. Little crisper drawer there at the bottom. And same with the freezer box. All kinds of space in there as well. So a nice big spot to keep all your perishables nice and safe. A couple drawers underneath there as well. Continuing with the kitchen, we've got a 3-burner cooktop with a nice sized oven. All of those will light up so you can see what you're doing. If you're cooking in a little bit of low light or that sort of thing, it gives you a little bit of an option to see what you're doing. You've got a microwave above. Look at these nice premium wood core cabinet doors with that little bit of trim that you've got on there too. Just adds a little touch of class to it. High-rise faucet with the roller over top. Little drying rack, another spot to set a few things. And if you need a little more counter space, you can just flip that countertop up right there. Storage under the sink, storage under the counter, and a nice big storage drawer right underneath there. Probably one of the biggest storage drawers I've seen yet in one of these trailers. But the kitchen's just absolutely fantastic. All kinds of room to set up in here. A couple plugs there so you can set your coffee station up in the corner. Good counter space. And then another plug over here just to the left of the sink. Thing number 4 I love about this trailer is the big bathroom. Let's take a look at this one now as we head towards the back of the trailer. When you get into a 28-foot trailer, 28 feet of living space, 32 feet of total trailer, you get a nice big bathroom that comes with that. So you're going to have a foot flush porcelain toilet, good shower, double size, room for 2, skylight above, and a nice spot to roll up your towels and linens and keep everything safe. You got a little counter space there, some storage underneath, sink in the corner, and a nice corner medicine cabinet. Keep everything nice and bright and fresh in here. You've got a light above, as well as a spot here to open up the window and air things out if need be. And you've got a fan, of course, to keep everything nice and fresh as well. Thing number 5 I love about this trailer is the absolutely fantastic sleeping arrangements. At the front of the trailer, we saw the dual entries from the outside. There's a spot here we can take a look at it. Nice sliding door, cordon that off for privacy. And over there, take a look, you've got the vertically mounted heating ducts that Grand Design puts in their units to keep the floors a little more solid by not having those floor vents that everyone loves to step on the floor. But getting into the bedroom stuff now, let's take a look at some of the features. We've got that nice solid wood cabinetry again. Storage doors on either side for your wardrobe. A couple of drawers to go with that. Storage above. You've got the blue-white reading lights above. A nice feature to have. Take a look at these little cubbies on either side of the trailer bed as well. You've got 2 plugs here with a USB, and then of course repeats itself on the other side, so you don't have to fight over which side of the bed you're on. Plug your devices in, keep everything you need to be nice and safe and tucked next to the bed, available for easy access. Now we talk about the sleeping arrangements. Let's head to the back of the trailer, because this is what's going to make the kids happy. Is you get a nice teddy bear finish, double over double bunk, little storage space under there too, which we like. Nice easy open access. You want to slide something underneath there, it's nice and easy to get to. Built-in ladder. Again, let's take a close look at that teddy bear finish. Nice and cozy. Lights here at the top, USB chargers to keep the kids' devices all set and ready to go. And you've got privacy curtains as well that'll slide across here, so the kids can get in there and pull the curtain when they're done for the day, or they want just a little time to themselves. Now, it wouldn't be a tour of the trailer without a little look at the social space. We've got a tri-fold love seat here that's going to pop out. Take a look at how that nice finish repeats itself around the outside of the slide here, that chrome inlay. Again, beautiful. Feature on the Grand Design is that solid wood that you have in the construction, and that repeats itself throughout the trailer. Step back here, look at the drop-down dinette. Those reversible cushions give you a couple different looks. You can see the difference here. Flat on one side, you can flip it over and you have that nice leather look on the other side of the cushion as well. But that'll all drop down and create another double bed. So you have a tri-fold over here, and you've got a drop down here. And look at the storage repeating itself here underneath the benches. Again, Grand Design does a great job of taking advantage of all the space that they have. Customer pointed this out to me the other day, and it's something that I've taken a little bit for granted, but look at how nice the finishes are around the windows. The valances above the window really hide the blinds themselves, all tucked away nice and neat, but a nice clean look to it. And to finish things off, let's step back here and take a look at the entertainment space. Sitting back in this nice comfortable couch. There's your TV, your stereos built in there, some more space to store some stuff in the cabinetry there, and a few more drawers and a couple more cabinets underneath. So again, this is one of my favorite trailers. Imagine 2800 BH. Grand Design does a great job. All kinds of features I didn't even get to. The Compass Connect system allows you to slide your slides out, put your awning out, turn your lights on and off, all from the comfort of an app on your phone. So nice, easy setup. You can just sit back and do most of the things you need to do just by connecting to your Bluetooth via the phone. But the 5 things I love about this trailer in review: number 1, the great outdoor features, easy to tow, 6,400 pounds. Number 2, we have that solar install that helps run your fridge, keeps your battery trickle charged as you're outside camping. If you can't get to a plug-in, it's going to let everything charge to keep that battery up and running for you. Built-in charge controller, again the 12-volt fridge, and the quick connectability to add a second solar panel if you'd like. Number 3 is this big beautiful kitchen. We love it. All kinds of space to prep food, all kinds of place to store stuff, and this nice big 12-volt fridge to go with it. Number 4, we've got that big bathroom at the back. And number 5, the nice comfortable sleeping arrangements for the kiddos and for mom and dad at the front. Come on down and see us here at Leisure Time Sales in Quispam Sis. Leisure Time Sales up in Moncton, our friends up there. Happy to serve you as well. All kinds of great new units coming in. With those come great pre-owned trades. Come on down and see us here at Leisure Time Sales. We'll get you set up and ready to camp for spring.